Ever deleted a photo and felt like, ah, finally gone forever? Well, bad news. That photo isn't gone. It's just hiding in your phone, like a ninja with an available sign on its head. So, what really happens when you hit delete? Let's break it down.
Delete equals not delete.
Think of your storage like a big library. When you delete a photo, you're not burning the book, you're just removing its card from the catalog. The book, your photo, is still sitting on the shelf. Anyone with the right tools can walk in and pick it up. Creepy, right?
The safety net.
Phones make it even funnier. iPhones and Androids don't even delete it right away. They just move it to a recently deleted folder for 30 to 60 days. Like a timeout corner for bad photos.
Proof. The zombie photo.
And guess what? Even after you permanently delete, recovery tools like Recuva can bring your photos back like digital zombies. Imagine selling your old phone on eBay and the new owner finds, yeah, that embarrassing selfie.
SSD versus hard drives.
Now, old hard drives keep your photos for ages. SSDs are smarter. They send a TRIM command that erases stuff faster. But here's the catch. It doesn't always run right away. So your photo might still be chilling there for hours, or even days.
Want it truly gone?
If you really want it gone, you can't just hit delete. You need to overwrite it. Fill your phone with random videos. Film your dog eating for 20 minutes. Delete them, repeat. Or go nuclear. Factory reset plus smash the drive with a hammer. Extreme, but effective. So remember, delete doesn't mean gone. It means invisible. If you liked this truth bomb, hit subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what's the worst photo you ever wished you could delete forever?